What if Hannibal had brought siege engines across the Alps instead of just elephants? In 218 BCE, the Carthaginian general shocked Rome by crossing the mountains with his army, but imagine if he'd hauled massive catapults and battering rams through those treacherous passes. Rome's walls would have crumbled within weeks of his arrival. The Second Punic War would have ended in Carthage's favor. Mediterranean power would have shifted completely. Carthaginian ships would control the seas while their armies dominated Europe. Greek city-states might have stayed independent, Celtic tribes unconquered. Latin would never have spread across the known world. Instead of Roman law, we'd follow Phoenician trade customs. Western civilization would be built on commerce, not conquest. One decision could have changed everything.